Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Aloe World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you permissions, exceptions, marking, allowed websites, pop-up windows in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case, we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So click here, go to the three bar icons, so enter the settings option. Now click the privacy and security, as because we will work this thing scrolling in below side, then we will get the things. So what the things, the thing has been here, block pop-up windows. So click this and we will go to the exception. See, we will give any kinds of thing like enter any kinds of thing where statistics things, then pop-up option has been open or not, or something like this, and these things we will allow and paste. So what has been written here, so the thing is, you can specify which websites are allowed to open pop-up windows, the type, the extract address of the site you want to allow, and then allow click. So we have to click the allow. See, the thing has been allowed, and we have to obviously press the save button, otherwise it will not save. So save this. Now we want to change. See here the thing. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.